Well, here I am again, trying this again. Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Sonic Frontiers for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory, and boy oh boy, has this one been annoying me. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, it kind of crashes after the loading screen once you finish that prologue little area. Unfortunately, the thing is, it didn't the first time for me. It actually got me into the open world, and I immediately went into a load screen, stopped the entire damn thing, and it never went past again, which is crazy. So now I've completely wiped all the cache from everything. We're gonna hope that it actually runs this time. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around. This loading screen is gonna take a while, maybe not, who knows, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah, I feel it, yes, it's the building shaders part. Once it builds shaders, it loads, but the second you have shaders, it will not load for you. But here we are, Sonic Frontiers running again. I think this time it's going to get past the prologue, but it may still take a while. Don't quote me on this. I'm gonna take my sweet time up in here, bro. I'm gonna take my sweet time. It'll run though. I feel like it'll run. It ran like this last time. It actually does run quite well, to be honest with you. But hey, the open world area is where people want to see. So y'all can go wait or skip through the video. Either one. I'm gonna just collect all these real quick. I'm gonna take my sweet time with it. But in case you guys were wondering, if that is the case, you need to delete your shaders. If it doesn't want to load past a certain area, like even getting to game, you need to delete the shaders and start again. It needs to build shaders apparently. If it's not building shaders, it doesn't want to work. Which is quite a weird thing. But it is a thing. It's a weird thing, but it is a thing. It happens. It happened, man. It happened. It is running at 30 FPS. I'm not gonna uncap the frame rate. I don't have a powerful CPU. I only have the A7. So once I realize that the GPU is worse than the CPU is higher than the GPU, I don't bother to change the. I don't bother to put it to 60 because that just puts way more pressure on it. 30, it ran quite well. Now what I'm hoping for now is because it has to load. I'm hoping that it actually runs now. I didn't realize that it says leave cyberspace. I didn't realize that's a thing. Anyway, I'm just gonna mute myself and we're gonna hope that it runs. Hopefully. You see that? Once it builds shaders, it runs. It's crazy. That's exactly how it works. This is the first time I've got to this level in a long damn time. It needs to build shaders to get through. I will try this with the integrated graphics as well if you guys are curious, so that's gonna be interesting. You gotta build shaders. If you don't build shaders, it doesn't work. What a strange bug. But it's Sonic!
Tails? Amy?
But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. It really helps me out on the channel. Leave a like. We post a lot of content like this showing you guys how to get these games running and low-end hardware as well. You want to see if a game runs on low-end hardware? You want to tweak that game to run on low-end hardware? I'm the guy to go to, man. I post everything. Latest, greatest, even the most obscure games I test as well. Leave a comment down below if something you'd like to see me test on the channel. I also do RYUZU, so I probably will try to test it with RYUZU, so stay tuned for that as well. And I'm just going to mute myself now, so enjoy the rest of the gameplay. If it lasts. If we get into open world, I'll come back on again.
Find the Chaos Emeralds. Destroy the Titans. Tear down the walls between dimensions.
Yeah, okay, sure.
And yeah, we do. So as you can see, we do manage to get out into open world territory. We do. It happened. It happened, guys. Look, we're here. I can't believe it's not butter. Bro, I'm scared to touch anything because this is the first time I'm actually showing you a video where I've gone this far, by the way. I will test it on the integrated graphics once again, but yeah, 30 FPS. It's funny because even with the shaders, it still runs at 30 FPS. Like, it's quite impressive. No, nothing to do with a loading screen, please. No loading screens, please. Just get me out of here. Oh jeez, I just said no loading screens. Oh, it's building, it's building, it's building, so it'll probably work. How strange is that? Oh crap, enemies. Even with the enemies it still runs. Nice. Oh, they all done already? Put them in the dirt. Look at it. Crap, looks amazing. If you guys want to see more videos on this, leave a comment. We will test around. We will test around some stuff. Really worried about, running into a place where it ends up saying, how dare you? And it puts me into a loading screen. The loading screen is worrying me. But it runs, so that's a bit for me. I'm just gonna mute myself now, and I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay.